Good morning, student. Today we will continue our chapter acid, bases and salt. We will talk about the neutralization process. Today we will familiar about neutralization process. Neutral means we have to combine acid and bases and make our solution neutral, nor acidic nor basic. So pay attention while I am reading and put your fingertips on the first line. We have learned that acids turn blue, litmus red, and bases turn red, litmus blue. You are very much familiar about this. Lichens we are having in natural indicator. So एसिड टर्न ब्लू लिटमस टू रेड. एसिड से क्या हो जाता है, रेड में चेंज हो जाता है, और बेसिस से रेड लिटमस ब्लू में. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज एन इंडिकेटर यू हैवेंट नॉट यूज्ड सो फार. इट इज कॉल्ड phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a artificial indicator. You can write over there artificial indicator. It is manufactured in the lab. Now activity is given over there 5.5 to be demonstrated by the teacher in the class. Fill 1/4 of the test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid. HCl is provided. Note down its color. Note down the color of phenolphthalein solution also. Add 2-3 drops of indicator to the acids. You can add it. Now shake the test tube gently. Do you observe any change in the color of acid? Add to the acidic solution a drop of sodium hydroxide solution by a dropper. What you have to do? You have to add acidic solution a drop of sodium hydroxide. अब आपको क्या करना है, आपको सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड उसमें मिक्स करना है. Stir the tube gently. Is there any change in the color of the solution? Continue adding sodium hydroxide. आप उसमें कंटिन्यू ऐड करते जाएंगे ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप. While stirring till the pink color just appears. जब तक ऐड करते जाएंगे उसमें, जब तक पिंक कलर ना आ जाए. एसिड में आप बेस ऐड करते जाएंगे. Now add 1 more drop of dilute hydrochloride. What do you observe? The solution again become colorless. तो it what happened? पहले हमने एसिड का सोल्यूशन बनाया, फिर हमने सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड उसमें हम ऐड करते गए, तो क्या हुआ, पिंक कलर आ गया. टिल द पिंक कलर जस्ट अपीयर. फिर हमने क्या किया, मोर ड्रॉप हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड डाल दिया, फिर वो कलरलेस हो गया. वाई इट इज हैपन? अगेन एड 1 ड्रॉप ऑफ सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सोल्यूशन. इज देयर एनी चेंज इन द सोल्यूशन? अगेन बिकम पिंक. फिर से पिंक हो गया. Now what does it mean? इसका क्या मतलब है? It is evident that when the solution is basic, जब solution basic था तो phenolphthalein पिंक कलर दे रहा था. जो हमने उसमें ऐड डाला था, हमने उसमें phenolphthalein डाला था, वो पिंक हो रहा था. हमने उसमें इंडिकेटर डाला था जो उसे पिंक कलर का चेंज कर रहा था. तो जब तक सोल्यूशन हमारा बेसिक था, phenolphthalein पिंक कलर दे रहा था. ऑन द अदर हैंड वह सोल्यूशन इन एसिडिक, जब तक सोल्यूशन एसिडिक है तो कलरलेस रहेगा. इसका मतलब ये था, हमने एसिडिक सोल्यूशन बनाया, एसिडिक सोल्यूशन में phenolphthalein ऐड किया, फिर हम धीरे धीरे करके उसमें हमने सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड डालते गए. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड जब वो सबसे ज़्यादा बेसिक हो गया तो कलर कैसा हो गया, पिंक. कलर कैसा हो गया, पिंक. लेकिन एसिडिक सोल्यूशन में कलरलेस हो जाता है. phenolphthalein कैसा रहता है, कलरलेस. ओके, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ व्हेन एन एसिडिक सोल्यूशन is mixed with an basic solution, both the solution neutralize their effect each other. जब आपस में दोनों का combustion हो गया तो वो neutralize हो गया. When acidic solution, the base solution are mixed in suitable amount, both acidic nature of the acid and basis nature of the base are destroyed. The resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. Touch the test tube immediately after neutralization. What do you observe? In neutralization reaction, heat always produced. The test tube should be warm or evolved. The evolved heat raises the temperature of the reaction mixture. In neutralization reaction, a new substance is formed. This is called salt. Salt may be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. कैसे भी हो सकता है, it should be. Thus neutralization can be defined as follows. The reaction between an acid and a base is called known as neutralization. Salt and water produce in this process. Evolution of heat is also there. So acid plus base, you can underline, gives out salt plus water, heat is evolved. The following reaction is given over there, whatever we have done. Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide gives out sodium chloride and this. Okay, so dilute sulfuric acid to the lime water. Will the reaction mixture become hot and cool? Now, what are the effects of neutralization in everyday life? Why it is compulsory? Indigestion, you are very much familiar. Indigestion is there when we eat in so much. Our stomach contain hydrochloric acid. It helps us digest foods as you have learned in chapter number 2. But too much acid in the stomach causes indigestion. Sometimes indigestion painful. To relieve indigestion, we are taking antacid such as milk of magnesia. What is antacid contain? Milk of magnesia. which contain magnesium hydroxide. It neutralizes the effect of excessive acid. Okay. Digen. Example are digen. Very good example is given over there. Now, ant bite. Ant bite, when an ant bite, it injects acidic liquid formic acid into skin. The effect of acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda. You can make the solution of baking soda and its effect should be decreases, or calamine solution which contains zinc carbonate. Now, soil treatment. Every soil should be treated while we have to grow the crop. Excessive use of chemical fertilizer make the soil acidic. Plant do not grow well and the soil is either too acidic or too basic. When soil is too acidic, it is treated with basic like quicklime. What we use? Quicklime and slag lime. Lime is very much available. If the soil is basic, organic matter added to it. Okay. Organic matter releases acid which neutralize the basic nature of the soil. We have to neutralize the soil by mixing it acid or mixing it basic. Now, factory waste. I am already told you the factory waste should be treated when it should be dumped or go out from the factories. The waste of many factories contain acid. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acid will kill the fish and other organisms. The factory waste are therefore very much harmful. So, it can't be flow in the river Ganga. It is done by our Prime Minister, therefore neutralizing by adding basic substances. So, a factory waste must be treated by the factory owner. It is compulsory and it is legally, but there should be a law. So, in this chapter, we have learned about acid, bases and different types of salt and their indicators and the effect in our daily life. So, you have to go through your chapter. Any query, then you can ask me. Have a good day.